Nigeria secondary school certificate, can you use it to study in Italy? Are you a Nigerian living in Italy and you have your secondary school certificate from Nigeria? Maybe you have WAEC or NECO, but you want to do one course or the other here in Italy. You want to go to university. You are thinking that if you can use your Nigeria school certificate to enter university in Italy, yes, you may be able to use your foreign secondary school certificate to apply for universities in Italy. You can use it. You don't need to go back to your home country. You don't need to go back to Nigeria to start all over again, to start your education from scratch. No. Or it's not a must that you have to do your Italian secondary school year. Okay, your Italian superior, you don't need to do that. If you have your secondary school certificate, listen to my video. This video is for you. Your Nigeria qualification can be evaluated for admission to an Italian university, depending on the university and your situation. You may be asked for documents such as your original qualification, authentication, or verification. An Italian translation, meaning you have to translate that certificate in Italian language, and possibly dichiarazione di valore. Yes, this is dichiarazione di valore or CIMER. I'm going to write it in this video. That means all this you can do it in where? In embassy in your home country, either Abuja or Lagos. And if you are dreaming to become a nurse in Italy, don't give up. Don't give up simply because your secondary school certificate was obtained in Nigeria. You can become a nurse in this country with your certificate. The important thing is to check the admission requirements of the Italian university and the specific nursing course you want to apply for. You have to check the requirements and know before you apply. Also remember this, the embassy does not automatically convert your Nigeria certificate into an Italian diploma. They don't just automatically convert it. The university or the competent Italian authority makes the relevant assignment, while the embassy or consulate can provide sentence supporting documents such as dichiarazione di valore. Dichiarazione di valore and foreign affairs ministry, you have to go and declare your values in foreign affairs in your own country. So if you are already living in Italy and you have your Nigeria secondary school certificate, don't assume that your certificate is useless here. It is not useless. Because for those people that doesn't know this, they don't know. What you don't know, you don't know. I am telling you that your Nigeria school certificate, it is not useless. You can use it here. Start by checking your documents, find the university and course you want. Okay? You find the course you want, find the professional course you want to go for. Your certificate, your Nigeria school certificate, it is valid. When you translate it, you legalize it, you do the dichiarazione di valore. Your Nigeria certificate could be the first step towards continuing your education in Italy. Yes, for those people that doesn't know this. Save this video and share it with someone who needs this information. And if you are wondering, how can I be able to convert or to translate or to legalize my Nigeria school certificate, reach out to me and I will assist you on how to do everything, your legalization, your if you even if you have you have your university certificate. If you have your university certificate, it is valid here. It depends on what you want to use it for. It depends on what you want to use it for. So if you don't know how to go about it, reach out to me. I will definitely respond to you. Okay? Help me to share this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up to always see my videos. Thank you and stay blessed.